Hi, welcome to the channel and I hope you're well. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace an iPhone XR screen. I will have the description below with the tools and the screen where you can buy it from. If you have any question, just comment below. So there are two screws that holds the phone, so you go ahead and unscrew them here. Okay, you can get a pry tool, go ahead and stick it in between the screen. You want to kind of go around the screen to cut loose the adhesive, because nowadays all the iPhones are water resistant, so you need to cut the adhesive tape all around the corner, and you can easily remove the screen after. Okay, once you have that all cut up, so the screen goes this way. Okay, you do not want to go all the way down because you do not want to break the front camera for the face recognition. This is the Y screws. There are only two screws that holds the bracket. Okay, you have the two things removed, and the next step is to remove this one. Alright, once you have this removed, the screen that I got, the new screen, it already have the back plate installed. Some of them doesn't come with the back plate. So if it doesn't come with a back plate, what you can do is you can reuse the old back plate. So they're gonna be these little Y screws. I think there are 8 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are probably about 9 of them. You can just take it out and then remove the back plate. But before you do so, what we need to do is to transfer the front camera to the new screen. Okay, at this point, you want to be very gentle. Make sure you do not break the ribbon cable. And let's just say if it happens to you, you can buy a third-party replacement for the front camera, but the face recognition would be disabled. You wouldn't be able to use it. So each device has its own unique camera for the face recognition, and if you break the original, you won't be able to use it on the third-party ones. Okay, so be very gentle. There is a little tiny metal plate here. Okay, you can remove and put it on the side. Okay, so pretty much I get the entire piece out like this. Okay, you can go ahead and transfer to the new camera. Okay, remember this tiny little metal piece. You want to go ahead and put it back on. So there are 4 screws that hold on to the camera. Go ahead and put them back on. Alright, once you have all that installed, you can go ahead and put them all back together. So the two screws holds the bracket, and they're using the Y screws on it. So this plate here, you kind of need to slide it in between. There's this little metal bracket, so I'm gonna go in between that. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn it on and see if everything works. If it is, everything is good. The only thing you need to do is just to put these two screws back at the bottom here. All right, everything looks good. All the corners. Camera. Front camera. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial is easy for you. All the best. Thank you.